as passionate about music as I am, then you're gonna sit down throughout the rest of this video. Today, I'll be teaching you exactly how you can make money online just by listening to and sharing all the different types of music, even the ones you like. This strategy can earn you $7 just for sharing one song. If you share 10 songs at once, you could make $70. And if you keep going to 100 songs, you could generate a whopping $700 and counting. Hello and welcome to The Money Hustle, where earning money online is made easy. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. As a result, if you find this video to be useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you may be among the first to watch the latest videos and apply the new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. Right now, I'm showing you my PayPal balance. And as you can see, I currently have around $900. Yes, this is completely legit. And to prove it, I'll refresh my PayPal account and you'll see right away that it's still there and not going anywhere. If you're wondering how I managed to reach this amount of money into my wallet, well, I got it from none other than this website. First, I'll need you to type in pixabay.com/music. Pixabay is a go-to platform that offers an extensive collection of free stock photos, illustrations, vector graphics, videos, and even music. Every single media file uploaded to Pixabay is instantly available for free. And you won't need to credit the creator or worry about copyright infringement and royalty issues. You can find nearly every music genre you could think of, from EDM-type beats to lo-fi hip-hop to even inspiring piano pieces. There are thousands of different songs that you can rummage through and use on Pixabay Music. And each of these songs has the potential to earn you approximately $7 and more over and over. Now, the goal for this step is to find a song that you think will be a smash hit among the public. In our case, let's search for lo-fi chill, since that's the type of genre that most people are into nowadays. As you hit enter, you'll find an array of songs that you can listen to. To do this, just press the play button next to the title. Now, as you're listening to this song, you must consider whether or not you think other people would enjoy it. If they like this song, then they can download, use, or share it with the rest of the world in a heartbeat. Well, it seems that Coffee Chill Out sounds pretty good. So it means that we could have a runaway hit on our hands. Now that we've listened to it and enjoyed it to the fullest, you'll need to download this song, which you can share later on. The more songs you can find that you think other people will like, the bigger your chances will be of making money. Now that you've selected then downloaded your chosen song off Pixabay Music, the next thing you'll need to do is go to UpForever over at www.upload-forever.com. UpForever is a platform that allows you to earn money by uploading various types of files, including photos, videos, PDF documents, text documents, and yes, even music. It is a 100% free cloud storage service that pays you when you upload your files. Think of it like Dropbox or Mega, but you get to enjoy the surprise of earning money just from uploading and sharing stuff online. Now, I have to mention that UpForever does offer a premium membership plan that costs $9.99 per month. But that's just to take advantage of its additional benefits. Signing up is easy, and for step number 3, you'll need to create an account. Click the sign up button and enter basic personal details, from your username to your password. Once you're verified and fully logged in, this is how your dashboard will look like. Here, you'll find the balance of how much you can earn using the website, as well as other things such as the amount of given space used and your referrals. As you can see, you'll be paid a certain amount per 1,000 downloads. And the amount you are paid will depend on the location of the people who are downloading the files. In this case, the people will be downloading the songs that you have uploaded from Pixabay Music. If the downloads are coming from Australia, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates, you will earn $4 per 1,000 downloads. If they come from Tier 4 countries or any country not covered here, you will be paid $3. And if they're from Tier 1 countries such as the United States and Canada, you will be paid $7 per 1,000 downloads. Down below is where you can find a full list of the different payment methods that you can integrate with UpForever. Some payment networks like PayPal allow you to withdraw your earnings from this website even if your balance is just $1 short. Others, however, will require you to have at least $5, $50, $100, or even $200. Once you reach the required amount in your account, you can instantly withdraw the money and use it however you want. UpForever has a variety of features that you can always explore in your free time, but the most important one that you'll want to use to make money online is the Upload Files feature. In this fourth step, I'll need you to upload a song that you previously downloaded from Pixabay Music. Click on Upload Files, then choose a file and select your chosen song from the download folder. You can write a brief description and change the title if you wish. And be sure to set the file to be public so that others can see and download it. When you're set, just click Start Upload and wait for the upload to complete. Once the file is successfully uploaded, click on it and you'll find all the links and codes that you can use to share the song. I'll need you to focus on the download link. Simply copy this one and you can essentially use it to share with the rest of the world. Whenever someone clicks on this link and downloads the song, you will be paid for it. Now that I've shown you how to upload and share a copyright-free song on UpForever, all you need to do after this is to repeat steps 1 to 4. And if you commit to these steps over and over, you'll have enough songs to generate a passive income. I'll now demonstrate how you can edit your files even after they're uploaded and make even more money with them. On the left side menu, click on My Files and you will be able to see all of your uploaded songs. From here, you can click on the Actions column next to a song to edit it and set the price. For instance, if you want to generate extra cash with your chosen song, you can set the price to $7 per download. So whenever someone downloads this song, you will be paid exactly $7. You can set the price higher than this amount, like $8 or even $14. See, there's plenty of money-making potential with this method. And that's essentially how to make money online by simply listening to and sharing music. This strategy is a great choice for those who don't mind waiting longer to earn, as well as for those who are okay with earning an extra income. If you wish to give this method a try, don't forget to give this video a like and comment down below what you think. We update regularly, so subscribe to The Money Hustle now and hit the bell so you won't miss out on the new and clever ways to make money online. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.